What up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be doing a review of Wow! A wow kit! As you can see, I'm very excited. So let's just get on with the video.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
So this is the Brazilian at-home smoothing treatment kit. It's like a keratin Brazilian blow dry. I normally get these done at my salon for about £90. This cost me about £50. It says here, similar treatments at salons, approximately £400. Bit of a lie, but whatever. So I saw this on Instagram. I'm the type of person that those ads, they don't work on me. I'm like, nah, see you later. Like, nice try, next. But this one I saw and I was just like, they've been listening to me. I literally said to my mum, I was like, my hair is so frizzy and dry. I just really need a Brazilian treatment. And lo and behold, this popped up in my timeline. Wow. So I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna do it. So it is formaldehyde. I know that's like a really bad chemical. You do not want to go anywhere near that. It's free from that. Sulfate free, cruelty free, vegan. Results last up to 3 months, so I'm gonna be reviewing that. I really like the packaging. Let's open it. The unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video. Also, if you're wondering about my hair right now, it is different from all my other videos because I cut my own bangs. And yeah, they're not looking great today, but if you wanna see me cutting my bangs, check up there or there. See me make a fool of myself. Oh, wow. I'm gonna be saying that for the whole video. Smooth operator. So it says I need to wash my hair. I've already washed my hair today. Comes in this really cool box for the treatment spray and a shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so this is the before shot. This is before, guys. Can you see? This is what my hair looks like before. It smells really nice. Oh my God, I just got that in my face, in my mouth. Please, I hope I don't die. Maybe I should get a towel. This is a bit wet. So it says you need to be like really close to the hair and then you move on when it's saturated. It's making me cough a bit. I had to open the windows, so you might hear some cars. The good thing about this is a good protective style because you don't have to like keep straightening your hair. You just wake up and you're fresh. So I've rinsed it out of my hair. It says you need to really make sure you rinse it out. So I took a good 10-15 minutes to rinse the product out of my hair. And then what I've done is I've just blow dried it with the hairdryer. And now it's time for the straightening. Let's load up these bad boys. GHDs. Day ones will know GHDs are it. They're lit. It's probably the hottest night tonight. Got my window open, so apologies if you can hear the cars going past, but I honestly am sweating. And then now I'm about to straighten my hair, so I'm gonna be even more hot. I can already see my hair is so shiny already and I haven't even straightened it yet. So I'm very excited. So it says to do 2 centimeters at a time to go over each section 6 times.
A few moments later.
Wow. Are you seeing this? Wait. Where's my comb? What? New number, who dis? Like, I'm actually blinded. Like, my hair is so soft. And I'm not even joking, like, I feel like this is way better than what I get at the salon for a fraction of the price. Let me just turn around for you guys so you can see what it looks like from the back. Like, I'm probably blinding you right now, but look at that, look at that, look at that. Love to see it, absolutely love to see it. The worst thing is I have nowhere to go. I'm going straight to sleep. It's silky, it's buttery, it's soft. It's like, melt in your mouth. Bruh. Honestly, I'm giving this 10 out of 10. And it's so easy to use, like it's so simple. It lasts 3 months. Imagine waking up every day and not having to worry about your hair. Are you dumb? I'm so happy. And it's vegan, it's natural ingredients. What more can a girl ask for? Do you know what I mean? Like this hair is like still your boyfriend kind of hair. I am just excited, especially in the summer, just to wake up with sleeky, soft, healthy Amazonian hair, because each and every one of these ingredients is from the Amazonian forest, like guarana, Brazil nut. You don't need harsh chemicals to treat your hair. And I'm going to continue to do my derma rollering and my hair oil treatment, because that's super important for my hair loss. I've just got like a whole new mood, a whole new attitude from this hair. Like I'm ready to just, we're Lily again, period. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna do a follow-up video in 3 months time, so subscribe to see my update, to see if this lasts for 3 months. But I post every week. I would love to welcome you to the family. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who's subscribed so far. I'm only on 141 subscribers. Each and every one of you means so much to me. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, peace.